Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Baharat chicken kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 1 kilo of diced chicken. So just into a bowl, we're going to start by adding in half a tablespoon of salt. To this we'll add half a tablespoon of sweet paprika, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of ground cloves. And to this we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, next we'll just give this a mix and get that all well combined. Okay, that's looking beautiful. So guys, I'm just going to add in 1 kilo of diced chicken breast. Now you can do this with chicken thigh as well, that's up to you. And we're just going to mix this together and get it all well covered. Okay, so that's looking really good. So we'll just cover it with some cling wrap. We want to place this into the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. Preferably overnight for best results. And then we'll cook it tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and skewer these now. But before we actually skewer them, we're just going to quickly mix it again. Just to make sure everything's still well covered. Alright, perfect. So guys, I'm going to do mine on my long metal skewers like so. Now you can also put these on bamboo skewers. If you're doing that, soak the bamboo skewers first in water, just so they don't burn. Now we're going to go ahead and thread our pieces of chicken straight on. And you want to put pieces that are about the same size on. Just like so. And we'll just continue skewering all of it. Alright, so in my case I've got 5 skewers as you can see, so let's move on to our grill. Alright, so we're just going to cook these on a medium to high heat. So we'll put our skewers straight on. After about 30 seconds we'll flip our skewers. After another 30 seconds we'll flip them again. So guys, basically all we want to do is flip them every 30 seconds until they're cooked all the way through. Now if you find if you have dark spots, you can just go over it with a brush, just to get rid of it. Alright guys, so we're at the 5-minute mark now and they're looking very nice. So to check if they're cooked, we're going to look for the piece that is the biggest, which is probably about this one here. Just want to give it a gentle squeeze. It should be nice and firm. That indicates it's cooked all the way through. So we'll set it to the side. And let's serve. Alright, so in my case I'm just going to serve it up with some fattoush salad on the side. So we'll push down from the top and from the bottom release it. So guys, that's all there is to it. Now if you want to serve it up with a sauce, obviously garlic sauce would go amazing with this. And so would hummus. But any sort of yogurt sauce would also be fine, so even a tzatziki would be nice. And you don't have to serve it with salad, obviously it will go nicely with rice. You can put it into some bread and make a wrap, or you can chop it up and make a salad with it. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.